Right, I saw the sign for the sheriff's department this way. Oh no. Dead end, okay. Oh, we got a warning. Okay. Order no trespassing. So they don't want anybody trespassing on the grass. They got a sign about that. So, because it's also both the sheriff's office and the jail. Okay. All right. Oh, it doesn't, okay. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, that not either? Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
I need to be fingerprinted, please.
Okay. You have your pictures there?
I do.
Oh, here, I can get it. If you want to back up.
Thank you very much.
Yep. There you go. Oh, I'll just
Good
put it in
to
there.
slide it in
Yeah. So you could drop it again.
Yes, exactly. Yep.
Hey, yeah, I got questions. Let's see. Are the sheriff's arrest and extradition policies available to the public? Do you guys provide the policies, sheriff policies, that we could access?
Don't know, but I
To the-
can ask.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I got a couple of questions here. It's about extradition because I'm facing extradition in Louisiana.
Okay.
So-
I can see, I'm not law enforcement, so let me see if I have
Okay.
anybody that can answer those.
You're not, okay, all right.
I mean, I work in the office, but I'm not a law enforcement officer, so I don't know those answers.
Okay, yeah, I suppose. Yeah, these are type of officer
I can see
questions.
if I have someone here.
Okay.
I have a book down here. Is there one up beside you?
Nope, just that. Clean one.
That one? This has to be done. This one has to be done.
That's okay.
Okay.
Just this one.
Can't believe it's the second already.
I know. Okay. So it looks like we have what I need for now. It takes me a few minutes to get this all entered and copied on, so I'll be out shortly.
Okay. And
Oh,
just,
I'm sorry,
gonna,
your ID, your driver's license, please.
and I'm gonna present a little bit of challenge for you. Alright, where is it? I want to have it in here. Here it is. There.
Got it. Thank you. And I'll be back with you shortly.
Thank you.
Oh, let me get your ID. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Thank you.
I do have a sergeant. He's going to be up in just a moment. He should be able to help you with those, okay?
Okay, well, you know where he's coming through? What?
Yeah, he should be from here.
Oh, okay. Hey, you're here to answer questions?
I'm gonna try to.
Okay, I'm facing.
I'm just being honest with you.
Yeah, okay, I understand.
Okay.
I'm facing extradition possibly in Louisiana. I got a court date coming up, so
Okay.
I'm trying to prepare for that and just try to understand the process. Do you know if the sheriff office has policies for the public to look at online? Is there maybe a link or something?
Maybe the county does.
Okay, for the.
Through the county website.
Okay, maybe it's just not. Okay, not sure. Okay, not a definite yes or no.
If you're
Okay.
talking like for our procedures and
Yeah.
stuff, that's not public viewing, but our county has.
Yeah, like the arrest, your procedures for arrest and or extradition.
Well,
Those.
the Constitution it lays that out. It has nothing to do with our policy.
Yeah. Oh well. All right. Yeah.
So you would have no matter what state you go into, no matter what jurisdiction you go into, the same procedure happens from A to Z when it comes to an arrest. So
Okay,
that's laid
well.
out by the federal government. That's not us.
Okay, that's above. Okay, that.
Yep.
All right. Do you run license plates to check for warrants, arrest warrants, like a car license plate? Do you run that to check for arrest warrants?
No,
You don't.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Have you ever let someone go who has had a warrant and told them to just take care of it?
Only unless the wanting jurisdiction does not want the officer or the whoever
defendant.
the defendant, yeah, the
Okay.
held.
There's okay. There's warrants where you're held, and there's warrants where it's just kind of let them go.
So
This mine's for a misdemeanor.
okay, so the judge, whoever signed the warrant, your judge in whatever county jurisdiction, whatever it is, will have either put a PR bond on there, meaning, hey, this is a court date that you need to make at that point.
Okay.
And then you get to go free, or they say you need
All
to
right.
give the officer $100.
Yep.
They'll give you a court date to secure that you come through it, or they'll do a remand with no bond to it, where you're taken into
Yep,
custody and do that.
that's a felony level, probably.
Yeah, I mean, more likely than not, those are felonies. So
Okay.
Yep.
If it's just PR, I think it'll probably have some money attached to it, and this is
Okay.
Louisiana, the
yeah,
misdemeanor.
no idea what that's.
Okay. If I'm arrested, can I bring legal documents with me to jail? Like maybe out of my car. If I say I need
Oh yeah,
these.
as long as it's not contraband.
That's-
I've done entire luggage.
Just okay, just because
So-
it'll be needed for the courts
Right.
and all of that. They'll have all this paperwork and all that. Okay. Let's see. What documents can I bring when turning myself in?
It's gonna be up to the jail. That has nothing to
Okay,
do with
that's. Does turning myself in help my chances of getting bail, or that's preset? What you said, a
me.
bail.
We have that's
That's-
set before I even have any
It don't matter if I turn myself in or not. It's already preset. There's no influence about
Correct.
if I. Okay.
If it's so real quick, if you're wanted for a misdemeanor, unless it's a ridiculously high misdemeanor,
It's failure to ID. It's.
I highly doubt that they would extradite you to Louisiana,
From here.
because you're talking thousands and thousands of dollars to transport
Yeah. That's,
for $100 fine.
and I'm moving closer, so I'm kind of like I'm getting as I get closer. I think that the chances of getting arrested might go up, but I'm just trying to get a feel for it more in a more comfortable position.
Okay, so they gave you a
before,
court date,
yeah, on
and you're probably not going to go.
I don't think I can make it. October 17th.
Have you called the courts to see if you can Zoom?
Well, they refuse. Yeah, I've emailed all kinds. I'm emailing representatives.
Yeah.
It's
Ready? Yeah.
it's a one-way communication.
Not that you don't have absolutely every right to ask me these questions and stuff, but you might be making a mountain out of a molehill.
Well, if it would be dropped, there wouldn't be a mountain or a molehill.
Yeah, but I don't have obviously any control over that Louisiana thing.
So it's a lot of running through my
So
head.
here's the whole thing for extraditions, okay? Start to finish. Let's say they say we want a hold put on him.
Okay.
Because you can't post bond.
Okay.
All right? Because that's what my guess is they're going to have some type of bond if it's just a misdemeanor.
Mm-hmm.
So you come here, you fight extradition. You're allowed to have a hearing.
Yeah.
And that's only if the case where Louisiana says we want him and we are coming up to get him.
Yeah.
Or her or whoever. It doesn't matter. I'm not saying you specific. It's just a generalized thing.
Yeah.
Now there's a whole bunch of logistics when it comes to that. It could be a month and a half long before anything would happen.
I'm avoiding asking you those questions like who would handle it, the prosecutor or the judge?
Yes.
Because it would be
everybody.
Okay.
It'll be the arresting jurisdiction in Louisiana. It'd be a couple representatives from this office. That's just because we do the paperwork
and then
that way. And then there'll be our courts.
And then it's supposed to go through an office of the governors for the Louisiana and then Michigan, and then it comes down to the judges and prosecutor.
So you may be right. I don't know because I don't do extraditions for us here. So I'm trying to answer your questions based on.
I'm not asking. I'm trying to make it more.
You're good.
I'm trying to make it more on the level with you guys only. Because I could go to the prosecutor's office and ask them what their role is, and I just haven't. I've just been coming to you guys.
No, that's fine.
Just because you're going to be the most violent part of it.
Violent?
Yeah. Well, if I'm I get harassed in my car quite a bit. And it's that I often get my name run.
I don't even know who you are.
No, you don't, because I'm new. I've only been in this county a couple of days.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking like just as I'm traveling, because I'm a traveler. It's been happening in other counties, and that happens, and I'm afraid. I'd rather just turn myself in and try to do that. If
you want me to run you right now?
No, I don't. It's not. There's not going to show up anything because my court date's not till the 17th. When I start because as I'm traveling south, when it's after the 17th, then it'll get to that point where maybe I should be run, but I don't feel it's necessary at this point.
Okay. No worries.
Until that date, and then I'll start asking about. Because I'm curious. Part of the reason I'm with this, I'm making a big deal out of it, is because it's a learning process. And that's, the most stressful part is a learning process. But once you know what's going on, then the stress comes down. And I was just curious. Have you heard of the Uniform Criminal Extradition Act, the UCEA? Then I won't ask about. I only have 7.
You're good. There's certain people that deal with extraditions. I'm not one of them.
You're not, okay.
And the other two that do, or the two that do, are not here.
There'd be more experts here, but they're not right now.
Correct.
Okay. Well, I just have 7 questions. That's okay. That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
I wasn't counting. So.
I could have told you that ahead of time.
Oh, my bad.
Too. But but that's it. Just that helps. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck.
Yep. Thank you.
Hello.